juguetes. The juguetes.
So today, guys, we're installing a Rough Country forged track bar and bracket. So here we got the forged track bar, which is adjustable right here with those threads and the locking things, included hardware, and the bracket itself. One of these is for the track, or both of them connect to the track bar, and then use factory hardware for the bracket. So first out we're going to remove is the one holding the axle to the track bar. It is a 15mm, and I'm using an Ugga. The bolt on the back side is spinning. So since we have no flag down on the back because the 3.5-inch Rough Country lift just has you move the bolt, couldn't get the flag down. Bush. Next up, remove the track bar bracket, but since that sway bar link is so close, we're probably gonna have to undo that also. So, up underneath, inside the bracket, there are 2 bolts. We'll leave there 19. Maybe they're an 18. Right? Alright, so we got the new bracket. Needs to slip in. And don't push those through the other side. God damn. Nope, they're nuts. Then you're gonna take your nuts. I would recommend applying something to those, but for the time being, just put them on finger tape, and then you can take your...
What would you like to apply to those?
Right. So I'm going to use some of the medium strength Loctite. I'd probably recommend the maximum strength or whatever. This is all I got, and it's better than nothing.
Right there.
So this is what the track bar looks like installed. Comes down and bolts in down here with the factory bolt hole. And then you can use this to adjust your track bar closer or shorter, or closer or farther away to center your axle. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video on how to install a rough country heavy duty track bar and bracket on Josh's 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe.